If you don't like the black icon in Warzone, you can easily change it to many other free avatars. Here's how you can do it. First, open up the Call of Duty launcher from your desktop. Next, click on the black profile icon at the top right of the screen. Now choose any avatar you want. You can choose avatars from various games including Overwatch, World of Warcraft, Hearthstone, Warcraft Rumble, Diablo 4, Diablo 3, Diablo Immortal, StarCraft, Warcraft 3, Heroes of the Storm, Crash Bandicoot 4, Blizzard Arcade Collection, and of course all of the Call of Duty games available in the store. You can even filter by games from here. Unfortunately, you can't set a custom avatar. You can only pick one from these presets. Now set an avatar and just click on the one you like and it will be set. And that's about it. If the video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.